Hi, welcome back to Crafty Little Things. I'm Andrea, and if you've joined me today for my 12 hours of children's craft reviews, then thank you very much. These are the projects that were completed. Really enjoyed them. I loved this one, loved this big one here. This one, I just love them all anyway. Even the ones that I failed at, I enjoyed. Well, I enjoyed trying. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing a giveaway of some kits. Some of the kits that you see here, and I think there's a couple of kits that aren't here as well. Not every single one of these kits, but there's a good little stack of them. The giveaway is only open to the UK because I always have disasters when I post anywhere else. So, to be in with a chance of receiving this giveaway, it'd be nice to have a comment on all 12 of the videos that I've put out there today. They're all in a playlist to make that easier as well, so I'll link that below. The other thing is that you have to be a subscriber. What I'll do is I'll leave that running till Wednesday, which is the 17th of October at midnight in the UK, and then I'll just select somebody at random from those who have commented on all 12 videos and who have also subscribed to my channel. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Thanks for joining me. I think this was quite a fun project. It was a fun project for me to do, and hopefully it's been useful for you and it's helped you to you know, think about what you want to pick up as part of your Christmas crafting. If you want to pick up any kits from the works, right at this moment in time, I'm not endorsed, I'm not sponsored or anything else. It's just I like the works. I think they have great value for money, crafting stuff, especially for kids. But right at this moment, I think they have offers on. If you spend £10, you get 10% off. If you spend £20, you get 20% off. And if you spend £30, you get 30% off, which is a fantastic offer. They also do, I think they do, the delivery charge isn't that bad actually. And I think it's £2.95 or something. And then if you spend over a certain amount, you get free delivery anyway. And the delivery, their standard delivery is really quite good. It's a couple of days, in my experience. Obviously, as we move towards Christmas, those times might fluctuate a little bit. And they don't have a store in our town anymore, I don't think. But they do have stores in towns. I believe so anyway. So you can go and have a browse and a look around. Okay, so thanks for joining me, and remember the conditions of that giveaway are that you comment on all 12 of my videos and that you're a subscriber. And to make that easier for you, I'll link the playlist below with all 12 projects, and you'll receive a selection of the works craft kits for Christmas. Okay, thanks for joining me. And oh, and by the way, when I draw the name of the person who's going to receive this gift from me, I'll need them to contact me within 24 hours, and I will announce that the person on my Crafty Little Paper Things Facebook group. So I'll also link that below as well, because you'll need to check out there to see if you're a winner. So I'll probably announce it on the Crafty Little Things UK Instagram as well, just to make sure it's gone out in a couple of places, and also on the Crafty Little Things UK Twitter account. So that's where that'll be announced. And within 24 hours of that being announced, you'd need to contact me with your postal address. Okay, so thanks very much for joining me, and I hope you really enjoyed this. It's been so much fun for me. Really enjoyed it myself, and it just brought about lots of lovely memories of crafting with my children, and it's been really fun. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.